At Conocogs, we know controlling VOC emissions can be costly, especially when treating large volumes of air with low concentrations of solvent. That's where our VOC Rotary Concentrator comes in. A VOC Rotary Concentrator is a front-end preconditioning unit installed upstream of either a thermal oxidizer, regenerative thermal oxidizer, or catalytic oxidizer. Before reaching the wheel, the process air passes through a filter system to remove particulates. The filtered air then flows through a rotating zeolite-coated honeycomb wheel divided into 3 zones: desorption, preheating/cooling, and adsorption. In the adsorption zone, approximately 90% of the incoming air passes through and VOCs adhere to the zeolite. Cleaned air, now largely free of solvents, exits safely to atmosphere. In the preheating or cooling zone, roughly 10% of the process air cools the wheel and gets preheated before it reaches the heater box. The wheel then rotates back into the adsorption section, keeping the system in a continuous cycle. The small slipstream is heated and passed back through the wheel in the desorption zone. This releases the VOCs and produces a much more concentrated VOC stream for final destruction. By concentrating VOCs into a smaller airflow, you can downsize your oxidizer and dramatically reduce operating costs. Many Conocogs customers see 30 to 66% fuel savings and 30 to 45% electrical savings, with destruction efficiencies of 90 to 97% depending on process conditions. With a Conocogs VOC Rotary Concentrator, you get efficient, cost-saving emissions control tailored to your process. Learn more at conocogs.com.